Hey everybody, we got a new coin release, 2019 Silver Dragon, the Chinese Silver Dragon in Phoenix. This is the dollar restrike, but we kind of missed the boat on when this actually came out. I got the notice on my phone earlier today, but by the time I got it, the price was already like 33 or something. And let's see here. It was not this guy. Who was it? Yeah, AG Coin said it was released this morning and it was at $28 in the beginning, and then they're doing the usual trickle, sold out, then they'll raise the price, sold out, and they'll raise the price again. So it went from $28 to $35.80 right now. These are relatively low mintage because, they only make 5,000 of these. And so I added some to the cart and I noticed that they would charge sales tax, right? So, nowadays, it depends on the state that you live in. So there's a page here on Apmex website, telling you where they collect, sales tax currently. And lucky for many of you in California, no sales tax from Apmex, right? So that's pretty cool. Now, let's see here. I don't know, I guess if you scroll down, all the way down, you can check your state. I don't know where most of you live. I'm thinking most of you live either in the West Coast or the East Coast. That's the more heavily populated areas. But, depending on where you live, right? Let's just say that you live in, it says Illinois, Indiana, Iowa. It's certain products, right? Whereas if you go down and check some like Mississippi, all products sold by Apmex. So it really depends on the state and what kind of laws they have. And some states will allow exemptions if you buy a certain amount, but it matters what you buy, right? So if you're buying collectible coins or paper notes or bullion, I think the bullion, is going to be tax exempt if you're going to buy a certain threshold. But the other stuff, it really depends on your state. So you got to look through this page, and I'll leave a link down below for this page, and you'll find out, what kind of taxes are applied to your purchase when you buy from Apmex. I wish we knew more about this sooner, but we're finding out now because it's the beginning of the year, and they are implementing the sales tax, the online sales tax here, right? So I'll leave a link for this down below for anybody who wants to pick it up. You're going to pay, whatever sales tax they're going to charge you on your state, and the other news is they came out with the gold. This is the first one, but it's 2019 Chinese gold 1 ounce, right? And this was I think it was a lot cheaper before, and now they raised it to $2,500. So, the reason why they have only 100 coins, right? Ultra low mintage. They only made a little bit of these, so they raised it, bumped it up to 2,500. Had it been 15, 1,600, that probably would have been a buy, but right now it's at 2,500. I'm sure it was cheaper when it first got released. I'll leave a link down below for this, just to see, just to, you guys can check the coin if you want to look at the page. Okay, I'll leave a link down below. So if you are looking to buy bullion and other stuff, you're probably going to want to check eBay more often now, because not every eBay seller is charging sales tax, right? So let's say you live in a state where they charge, $1,000 to $1,500. If you don't buy more than $1,000 to $1,500, they're going to charge you sales tax. You're better off coming to eBay listings and buying Silver Eagles or, Buffalo Rounds or whatever you want, coming, to this, a page like this, just type, your item and look through. And some of these are going to be dealers, and I think bullion exchanges, they're going to be charging sales tax, on certain states. But, give it a try and see, you know, which dealers are, well, eBay sellers, I shouldn't say dealers, eBay sellers are charging sales tax. Okay, so I'll leave a link down below just as a test for the Silver Eagle roll, and maybe we can do, you know, Buffalo rounds too. Right? Even with just one coin, you know, just test it out and see if they will charge you. Yeah, let's go with this one, right? So this is JMBullion. You know, add this to your cart and see if you get charged sales tax. I'll also leave a link for JMBullion's sales tax by state. They have all this information, you know, where they charge sales tax here. So yeah, you guys can check this. And maybe what I'll do is I'll look through a bunch of bullion dealers and find more of these pages and then put it together in a video so that you have one video where you can just click and go and find out what the rules are for state taxes, right? Like sales tax on your state when you buy bullion, you know, gold, silver, and other stuff. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. And if you're brand new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and the alert notification, and you know, hit the like button too, and I'll get back to you guys later on. Okay.